Stop before you even think of replying to that particular DM, which says to buy free subscribers and watch time. Does it sound familiar? Someone is offering you subscribers and watch time? Isn't it so simple that if somebody can get that for free or maybe for $20, that would be so easy. Why are people working 6 months or 1 year or maybe 2 years to get their channel monetized? You need to hear this. This could destroy your channel or whatever work you have done on your channel, because the person on the other side might scam and win $20, but your channel will be banned forever. And I'm going to tell you some other scams as well. You have to be careful, because as a new YouTuber, if you're starting especially, you gonna get these kind of messages and you're gonna see these scammers a lot in your DM and maybe in your email box as well. Scammers are everywhere. They may offer you free monetization, a super sort of SEO or anything else, a service that could be like feels so legit, but it's your channel. You have to work on this. You have worked on this. It was your idea. You are the first one who started working on this. Why take help from someone who's offering you these things which are very hard to achieve on a very little amount to be paid? That's totally a scam. And if you fall for it, especially new YouTubers are being targeted on these things, because they know that they are passionate, they are like excited, they are enthusiastic, and they are more eager to win. They don't have this patience that it would take 1 year. It sounds even hard, but basically it's a business. You have to work hard. It's just not an overnight success on YouTube that you're gonna get. No, you have to understand the algorithm, you have to understand the strategy, you have to understand everything, you have to put in the hard work. Every YouTuber on this platform who's successful knows this, that it's not easy, because it's not easy, and it's not easy to control the success. Even if the fame and the money comes with it, it's huge. You have to have that potential to absorb these things as well, because otherwise you're gonna get arrogant, or like you won't remain yourself, not the original yourself. In this video, I'm gonna expose these scammers, and I'm gonna tell you watch out for these messages and how they're gonna approach you and in what sort of ways. Even if you're an established YouTuber, you might have seen some fake advertisements that are being offered. So I'm gonna tell you each and everything. Before we dive in, just subscribe to the channel. Just takes a second, and it shows your support to me, and it helps me a lot. Thank you in advance. So biggest scam on YouTube is that we are going to monetize your channel 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for some certain amount. Let's say $20, right? Now if you do that, YouTube is gonna permanently ban your channel, because YouTube knows in what they do is like they'll ask you for 1 hour of a video. You should make 1 hour video and then put that on your channel, so that it's easier for their bots to just watch that 1 hour video for 4 hours. It will give you the 4 hours, maybe a little more, and it will give you the view and everything. They will give you the 1,000 subscribers, no problem, because they are all bots, right? They'll say that they are original people, but they are not. They are bots. And what they'll do is they'll just trigger the alarm system in YouTube, and YouTube will just permanently ban your channel, because he knows that the algorithm basically is what? Algorithm is the guard, the custom person who knows that what is original, what is fake, right? What YouTube says that watch for tags, watch for SEOs, watch for the keywords optimization. Why YouTube say that? Because that's the original thing. Every creator who's working on YouTube working hard, and everyone should appreciate that. So if you try to buy the fake 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube is gonna ban your channel. And somehow we believe that your channel got monetized. What about the views? Because money is coming from the views. Fake subscribers, I don't know what I'm saying. Fake subscribers won't watch your channel. They're not interested, because they are bots. The 1,000 4,000 watch hours you have got on your video, but that's it. What are you gonna do now? Your videos will again start growing the same way, and if you're not putting a good thumbnail, good title, or anything, tags and everything, your videos may get like 1, 2, 3 or 10 views. Now you're not gonna earn any money. Only in this scam, the person who win is the $20 which you gave to the scammer. Now your channel is again dead. You lose your enthusiasm in the middle because you got the adrenaline rush from the subscribers and monetization. But what now? What if you get naturally subscribed? What that happens is you will get natural views, your channel get monetized, your videos are thrown to more people, and you'll get more subscribers every day. Have you heard of the getting viral? What is the viral means? You get your channel monetized in just one day. You get thousands of views in one day. But that's natural, that's organic. Now the second scammers come in, the marketing scammers, the SEO experts. Are they legit? So what they do is they say that we're gonna do the SEO of your channel. Your channel looks good and you have a promising channel, and we're gonna do SEO and your channel is going to get viral. We just already seen the algorithm and already know it, so we just can help you with this. Why? Because you have to learn this thing for yourself, not somebody else is going to do it for you. Because for example, he does this SEO for 1 week, 1 month, then what? After 1 week again, you are the one who's going to run the channel. And for the starters, everybody on this platform says don't spend money, because if you have that control, that you have control on yourself, that you don't spend on the expensive, I'm putting force on the expensive, on the expensive camera, not on the expensive mic, lighting and everything, you're saving money, and that shows your potential, that shows that you have control on yourself. And this helps a long way. You have to have that stamina. Write something on your board, write a sticker or something that says that I'm gonna make videos for 1 year, and plan every month, every week, and this is gonna help you. I'm telling you that. You have to watch for 2 to 3 signs, like instant monetization, red flag. And if they say like they're gonna do your SEO and your channel is going to get a viral, red flag again. And if they ask for some details of your channels, like your ID, your password, your email address, that's a scam alert. You have to be alert on these things. Never give these details to anyone. Nobody legit will ask you for these information, because they know this is private information. And how do you know this is a scammer, and how do you deal with it? First of all, report their messages as scam. Never respond to their messages, and even if you see these reports, or if you read a title of the message and everything, just don't open it. Most of them can have virus, so never try to open this. And if you open it, somehow label it as spam, so that it will never bother you again. Never respond to them. Never share your channel's credentials with anyone. It's yours and it's a private matter. Keep it private, because if you're going to share anything about your detail about your channel, there is a potential scammer there a hacker maybe, who will hack your channel, and all your hard work will go in vain. And I personally don't want to see that, because I know it takes a lot of time to get there, but it just takes a second to get destroyed. One thing I'm gonna tell you for sure is a guarantee that you're gonna succeed on YouTube if you stay consistent. If you stay consistent in your learning, your video posting, and your editing and everything, you're gonna win. At the end of the day, it might take 6 months, it take 1 year, but you're gonna win. You have to be consistent, post a good video. If you're posting 1 video a week, make it worth watching, because you have 6 days to prepare for it. 1 day to shoot, and the same day you can post it. But take 3 days to shoot and prepare it, and 1 day shoot, and other 2 days for editing, and do a marvelous editing, because you're taking a 1 week whole time, because your 1 video should make a difference. Otherwise, make more videos, like 4 or 5 videos like me. Make consistent addition to your videos on your channel, so that's gonna grow your channel as well. But you have to pick a very good topic, a topic which is being watched by many these days, which is viral already. Try to make a topic similar to that, as thumbnail similar to that, and it gives you a more potential of getting your views up and getting more subscribers. And there is no shortcut for hard work. Remember that. There is no institute that teaches you hard work. You are the one who's going to build that up. So what I will suggest is, do the hard work. I'm there to support you. and you are there to support me, of course. And if you're not subscribing, please do subscribe, and that's your support. And like and comment that if you want to see another video about something, and if you like or dislike something about my video, do let me know. I'm going to change that if you don't like it, and if you like it, I'm going to add this to other videos as well, maybe. So see you in another video, and be safe. Take care.